Hey guys, Gretchen's Vegan Bakery here with a new fall recipe to use up some of those apples. I was just gifted about 10 pounds of apples from a friend the other day, and this apple lasagna recipe was the first thing on my list to try. Layers of graham crackers and cream cheese cinnamon mousse and luscious sauteed cinnamon apples. I've sprinkled some vegan toffee on the top and caramel too. This recipe far exceeded my expectations, and I think you will agree. So check out how easy it is to make so you can dig into fall with this apple lasagna. You will need apples, and not this many, you just need 3 or 4, brown sugar, flour, maple syrup, brandy is optional but so good, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger, and I'm using Nabisco graham crackers because they are the only ones vegan. For the cream cheese mousse, you will need vegan cream cheese, and I do like the Tofutti brand for all my baking recipes. A couple of cans of coconut milk that I have refrigerated overnight, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. First, to get those apples ready, and you're going to peel them and core them and slice them to about 1/8 of an inch thick. A spot of vegan butter to a large saute pan over high heat, and then just get the apples in to start them cooking. Now I'm just mixing the spices with the flour and brown sugar, and I'm not sure that I could have picked a smaller bowl to do this, but you get the idea. Add that to the apples and keep on cooking them while stirring frequently, and you'll see that the flour is starting to thicken up the mixture, and then after about 5 minutes you can add the optional brandy or apple juice instead if you don't like to use alcohol. Keep the apples moving so they cook evenly, and I like to cover them for about a minute or 2 to get them all nice and steamy also. Total cooking time for the apples is just about 15 minutes over medium to high heat. Last goes the maple syrup, and then just get it off the heat to cool while you prepare the rest of the recipe. The vegan cream cheese goes into a large mixing bowl, and I do smooth it all out by hand. You can use an electric mixer for this, but I find that vegan cream cheese doesn't like aggressive mixing. It just gets soupy if you over mix it. So add the brown sugar and the cinnamon and the sifted confectioner's sugar. And one part that I didn't show in the beginning was the apple cider vinegar. Now this is optional, but I almost always incorporate a small amount into my cream cheese recipes because it really adds that characteristic tang that you find with cream cheese desserts. A bit of vanilla extract, and then just continue to smooth it out all by hand. I did switch to a whisk at the end just to get out any stubborn chunks. Next, you will take those refrigerated cans of coconut milk and scoop off the fat from the top. Whip it up to soft peaks and then fold that into the cream cheese base. Now to start layering this dessert. Lay out the graham crackers in the bottom of a 9 by 9 inch pan. No grease, no parchment paper. Just arrange them so the entire bottom is covered. 1/3 of the cream cheese mousse gets spread over that. Then half of the apples, more graham crackers, another 1/3 of the mousse, the other half of the apples, another layer of graham crackers, and then the last of the mousse goes on top. I then made a recipe of my friend Deborah's vegan almond toffee to go on top. This is optional, but really takes this recipe all the way home. And an optional drizzle of homemade vegan caramel sauce, and you, my friends, have the most amazing, easiest recipe for apple lasagna that is going to be a sure winner at your next event. Perfect for Thanksgiving, or really just any day that you want to have a dessert that is exceptionally good and easy to prepare. Did I mention easy? So head on over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab all the recipes. All right, thanks to everyone for watching. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I hope you will. I upload new videos weekly, and you can bet that I'll be adding in more apple recipes soon to use up the rest of those 10 pounds I just got. A very special thank you to my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal for the monetary support you guys are giving me. Without you guys, I would not have been able to continue sharing my recipes for free, that's for sure. The cost to run this channel and blog is way more than the pennies I make here on YouTube, so if you think you can help for as little as $1 a month, I would so appreciate it. All the links are below if you want to check it out. Alright everyone, until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.